Hi guys, welcome back to another video in this channel. My name is Abraham Leal, and today we're gonna have a short video. I'm actually still working on the hard surface thing. I'm gonna be using this weekend to finalize it and make sure that it's ready and good to go for you guys to enjoy very soon. Hopefully by next week we're gonna be able to have it up on all of the platforms so that you guys can enjoy it very soon. Now we normally do this at the beginning of the month, but since again I need to upload the video, I want to upload a video for you guys, and we haven't done one before on this month. We're just gonna take a look at the calendar and mark some of the dates, like the important dates that we're gonna have. Okay, so we now know that Alejandro is helping us with Tuesdays and Thursdays. So let's do an A for Alejandro right here. So we're gonna have all of these days full of Blender content, which I'm sure you guys are enjoying as much as I am. I'm learning a lot from those series. I really need to. I've been polishing my Blender skills, so you guys know ever since we had the discussion like in the middle of last year, I've been learning Blender. So yeah, I strongly advise you guys. It's pretty much like a full premium course. He's modeling a robot head right now, and he's going through all and each specific detail. So really cool. We're of course right here, so we have a couple of dates to go. So first of all, portfolio, because people have been asking about the portfolio reviews. Our first review will be right here. So next weekend, we're gonna have our portfolio review. So the link will be available starting Monday, okay? So the submissions will be open. It's really cool right here in Mexico right now, and my hands kind of hurt when writing. So the submissions will be open this Monday. Actually, the link is already like open. So if you go back to like last week, or I believe like 2 weeks ago when we were doing the submissions, you can actually submit on the same link. But I'm gonna be like pasting that on the comments starting on Monday. They're gonna be open all week. We're gonna be reminding you guys, and then we're gonna have our review next Friday. Then, if things go well and you guys do a lot of work as well, we should have another review at the end of the month, which will be right about here. We will also have our nice little live stream right here. So for the 23, we're going to have our live stream like we did last month. I think that's going to be cool. We have the Super Bowl on the here. So for those of you guys that follow the NFL, we have the Super Bowl on Sunday 13. So we're probably going to do something about that. We still need to do what's the word? The lighthouse. A lot of people have been asking on the comments what's going on with the lighthouse. The thing is, I've been so busy with the course that I haven't had time to really like see what's next on that project. But don't worry, we will finish it, even if it takes a little bit longer. So yeah, and other than that, as you can see, we still have open like days. Like there's nothing special. So I kind of want to use this video as well to kind of get more ideas from you guys. We've already seen things about Bifrost. We've already seen a lot of things about Maya. Let me know if you guys want to learn like or should we go into maybe another software. For instance, I don't know, is a speed tree something that you guys are interested in seeing, like how to create like realistic trees for games and stuff? Do you want me to go into ZBrush and do a couple more like character demos or prop demos? Should we do I don't know, a little bit of Bifrost water? Like there's a lot of topics that we can cover, and I'm always willing to listen to you guys, to your comments, and implement that in our calendar. So give me ideas because I think we've done like a lot of modeling and a lot of texturing, and I don't wanna do the same thing every single month. So let's try to innovate. Help me out. Help me decide what else should we do for the channel. What else should we include? And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna go back to work, back to finishing the hard surface course, and I'll see you back on Monday. This is the other news that I want to share with you. There won't be any video this Sunday. Okay, we're gonna skip Sunday. Again, I just need to finish this thing, make sure that everything is perfect, and yeah, I'll see you back on Monday. So enjoy the weekend, have some fun, do some 3D of course, and I'll see you back on Monday. Bye-bye.